Even a small drop of water can contain countless animals. Just few are visible to the naked eye, but with the help of microscopes we can reveal details of the tiniest creatures. Let's take a look at some common freshwater groups under high magnifications. Many insects have aquatic stages in their life cycles, and their larvae are mostly small. Mosquitoes are just an example. These larvae could be easily seen with naked eyes. With some exceptions, a lot of other aquatic insects are less noticeable. They're hard to see mostly because they hide and have transparent bodies. As you may have noticed, under high magnifications, the depth of field of the image is very low, and you can even see inside the bodies of animals. Crustaceans are very diverse and abundant in freshwater environments. The smallest groups include water fleas. Water fleas appear like small, fast-moving dots. Without lenses, it's impossible to make out any details of these animals. Ostracods represent another group of crustaceans. Their bodies are encased in shells. Copepods are a large group of planktonic crustaceans. They are common in freshwater and in the oceans. All these tiny crustaceans can fall prey to hydras. Hydras are cnidarian predators. With their tentacles, they paralyze and kill small invertebrates. Bryozoans are a group of animals that resemble hydras, but they are colonial filter feeders. Many animals remain completely invisible to our eyes, yet they're very important to the food chains. Tardigrades are one of the toughest invertebrates, and they manage to survive even in the most extreme environments. They live even in the Antarctica and can be found deep underwater. They withstand extremely high and low temperatures and can survive a decade without water. rotifers are among the smallest invertebrates, and the group is impressively diverse. Despite their size and unique morphology, they have all organs typical for larger invertebrates. Let's see the inner structure of a rotifer under the highest optical magnification. A wide range of organisms are unicellular, including most of eukaryotes. Small bits of phylogeny information show how diverse they are. Plants and animals represent just 2 branches on the phylogenetic tree of eukaryotes. Unicellular organisms can be colonial, and the colonies can be big enough to be visible. But mostly, even colonies are microscopic. Most of eukaryotic microbes are called protists. Ciliates represent a very common group. Some ciliates are sessile and can attach to large invertebrates. Microorganisms like bacteria are the least studied forms of life. They are so small that they are barely visible even under the highest optical magnifications. This was a very brief introduction into the world of invisible living organisms.